Welcome to Cryptoknowz, and this channel is for you to learn everything about cryptocurrencies. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want to learn more every day. What's up, XRP family? Thank you for joining this video today. Today we have a lot to talk about because XRP made an impressive move actually today. So let's take a look in the news and in the XRP community what's really going on. Before we dig in, do not forget to subscribe, guys. This is my second channel. I have another one. If you didn't subscribe, go subscribe to that channel. So this is very interesting what's happening here. Let's dig into some technical analysis first, as we actually said that we would buy more in this space, and if you had already done that, you would bin up a lot of profit right now. Now here we can see there was a head and shoulders, a very small one, and these are the areas that people actually start selling because they are afraid. And I will show you that a lot of short positions were liquidated today, and I literally was talking about it yesterday, because when there is a lot of short positions, you want to do the opposite, and that's buying. I told you in yesterday's video, go check it out. This is really interesting what's happening now. So here we have on the 1 hour chart, you can see a small head and shoulders form that we now broke. Now listen, I'm still not impressed by this. I want actually price to break this line here and then form a flag and then continue, because we can still go down here. This is a very dangerous area. We have to break, make a flag and continue up. That's when I will know that XRP will come back and maybe go to the all-time high. Now this looks very promising. This is a flag, continuation flag, so I think it will definitely continue up from here. But then it's interesting what's going to happen around this area here on the third touch of that line, because this is where price tends to go even lower when we have a downtrend. So let's take a look. Let's dig into the news, guys. We have a lot of things here. So let's take a look at what this guy is reminding us of. When you need to move $50 million in 2 seconds with about a fee of 50 cents, XRP is a no-brainer. Let's take a look.
Like that. So we're called Arrington XRP Capital, right? And so obviously we like XRP, but one of the reasons we like it is we wanted to denominate our fund in a cryptocurrency that was super fast to actually move money. So Bitcoin's awesome, right? But if you need to move $50 million in 2 seconds and pay like less than 50 cents, that's where XRP comes in, and that's actually what happened. So our very first close was $50 million in January of 2018, the week before the all-time high. We closed our fund, which is super awesome, and in a bad way, right? But we did that close, and it was 2 seconds. It wasn't 10 minutes. It was really low. It cost, I think, 40 cents to move $2 million. So that was just fantastic.
That's exactly what we want to know. See, he moved $50 million and he paid 50 cents for it, and it took 2 seconds. This is something that is really needed right now by cross-border payments institutions like banks, financial institutions, and everything like that. It is literally proof that XRP has a really good utility, and that's exactly what we're investing in. Save the date on 2 to 4 June. Join Nobel laureates, policymakers, academics, CEOs, and other experts to find out how the financial sector can take immediate action against climate-related financial risks. Now this is gonna be big. They were definitely gonna talk about XRP, guys. So this is gonna be super huge, and after this date we may see a significant move on XRP. As we saw the charts, everything is lining up right now. Everything fits each other, so it has to be the time. June is gonna be huge. Now this is the short position that we were talking about. You can go and check out my previous video. I told you that these short positions are gonna get liquidated. Look what happened. 1 bar and it went all away. This is exactly what you want to do when the masses are buying, and when you know that you're buying something good, of course, because you can say now, okay, so it's down now, so we have to sell again. No, that's not how it works. You have to understand what you're investing in, and XRP has utility, so it makes sense to buy more when there's more short positions, because they will get liquidated. Let's take a look at this. Fed Chair Jerome Powell on a US digital dollar.
Chinese last month unveiled the world's first digital currency from a major power. Currency that would not be printed but would exist only in cyberspace on your phone, for example. Is the Fed working on a digital dollar?
We are actually evaluating that. Most major countries are now looking at the possibility of having a digital currency and really asking the question, in our very modern advanced economy with a fast, efficient, full-blown payment system, would adding a digital currency, a form of digital currency, would it actually benefit the public that we serve? That's the question that we're asking. We're working very hard on that. We're also doing quite a lot of technological experiment. I mean, technology has made this a possible thing, and so we feel it's our obligation to understand it. How would it work? What would the features of it be? There are many subtle and difficult policy choices and design choices that you'd have to make. We're doing all that work. We have not made a decision to do this because, again, the question is, will this benefit the people that we serve? And we need to answer that question well. And we need to involve the public and Congress deeply in that process because it would be an important step if we were to do this.
But given the fact that the final decision hasn't been made, you are doing, if I understand you correctly, software development, even graphic design on what a digital dollar would look like and act like.
Yes, we're doing lots and lots of work. We're doing stuff jointly with with other central banks. We're doing things at the Boston Fed, and many of the regional Feds have little projects going on. Here at the board, we have a group of people who are doing software development and that kind of thing. You know, this is really just table stakes. This is understanding the technology and the possibilities so that you can really address the policy issues.
You think it's likely?
I think it's possible, is all I would say.
It's possible. So actually they really confirmed that they are really working on a digital dollar. Now, it will take some time before this is really running and going, but guys, be prepared because also the euro is coming, the digital euro. They are working very, very hard all over the world to make a digital currency, and they will run on XRP. Now that's what we know. XRP price has reclaimed a crucial level after tremendous 50% drop after Ripple versus lawsuit has taken a new turn. Now we know that yesterday, breaking, Judge Netmer denies SEC's access to Ripple claim, a legal momentum dealing huge blow to SEC. So she actually denied the SEC from looking into the documents, and it's gonna be very, very interesting. Look at this. Ripple has said that SEC requested communications are protected by attorney-client privilege, which has not been waived. This is very, very interesting. Mr. XRP tweeted, "Morning all, just woke up. Glad to see that XRP has passed the $1 milestone again. Please see update. If you had bought from the 80 cents area when I start plotting this pattern, you would already be in good profit." Now, a lot of people knew that this was a very interesting place to buy. And now we have broken out of this triangle and it's looking very promising. Thousands will descend on Miami for the world's largest crypto conference. Is the hype real? Now, this is very, very interesting. Miami is about to play host to what may be the largest cryptocurrency conference the world has ever seen. Thanks to a confluence calendar, COVID, and Miami's soaring reputation as a tech hub, organizers are expecting as many as 50,000 to descend on the country for Bitcoin 2021. Headliners include Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey, legendary pro skater Tony Hawk, and a cavalcade of crypto gurus kicking off Thursday. The event is already sold out. This is huge. This is where people will actually get to know more about cryptocurrency, which is currently a very low and minority. So it's gonna really maybe push the price of crypto in general, and that's exactly what we need to get the XRP price started. How bad does a judge have to despise the SEC to release a ruling on a Sunday rather than waiting till Monday? Asking for me. Now this is, guys, this is really accurate because usually they don't do a ruling on a Sunday. They always wait on Monday unless it's very urgent. And we have the Green Swan event upcoming. It's all lining up, and that's why we have to be ready for XRP to move. Now, also happening in June is Flare. Flare is another cryptocurrency that is launching on XRP Ledger, which is very, very big. Now, you could have get Flare if you had XRP before December 20th. This is all the exchanges that Flare will be launching on. And it's a very big list, as you can see. It's really no jokes. Flare is gonna be so huge and it can take over a lot of things. So be ready for that. Ripple intends to go public following the SEC lawsuit, says CEO Brett Garlinghouse. Now, this is the only thing that will make Ripple really stand out. And this will make XRP fly to the roof. Maybe $100, maybe $200 if Ripple goes public. We have already seen Coinbase go public, and now it's Ripple's turn because it's almost done with the SEC. Now, thank you for watching the video, guys. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Cheers.